This is me to run, me to clap on TikTok. And every minute, you hear them matter. So cool, Derrick. Anna disrespect me yesterday. One girl that disrespect me. And then when she done, she go talk about she go send this, and she go send this. Every day, Master God can strike some of them. Master God strike some of them girls, you know. And them always get up and trouble people when I trouble you. Every day they get up and talk about so cool. And them are the bones is so cool. Pandilania. Yeah, they not even know me. They not even know me around. Every day they talk about so cool. So cool every 6 minutes. Every minute. Every minute and every second them a call. But so cool. And when I reply back to them now, them want to tell you say, them are coming a park for you. Like me never seen cut in a park. Like me blood clot never seen cut in a bomb. All of them blood clots covered up the blood clot and they put the girl them now. Me look what do them? What them mama put them some kids girl. Wanna leave off of my plant. Then if you leave off of my clot, man, I'm tired of them. You me tell you, I'm sticking and tired. And the girl I know. We see me on the road and I trouble me. And that me I tell them so good girl I know. See them? One little thinking boy, we all you know, I call him man. And him walk and see like a blood clot dog. You know your blood clot work to the people. You know your blood work and fast to the people. Man come in blood clot and go man. Dirty man work and see another. What's no come back and look out your son. Yes, in them workplace. In them workplace is funny and fast with them. You dirty blood clot man. Yeah. John Crow. Dead dog them. A dead dog them, you know. And some dead dog. Virgo, me not gonna argue with you. Virgo, me not gonna argue one bit. Because a bad never run out on the church. And Arnold Road, why see at the auditorium all? Yeah, and a bad never run me. You run me too much fast news, Virgo. You love to want to mix up the big man. If you stop it, Virgo, Rosalie don't like you. And Rosalie says so. I mean, I have feelings too. When you go on your live and I bring me them, you could have bring them in Nike and come in and answer your Virgo. And people tell me from around the road say, Derrick, don't answer Virgo, Derrick. You know Virgo stay ready for morning. Virgo mix up and Virgo do everything. Forget clothes and things and TikTok. Don't answer Virgo. Don't you answer Virgo, because Virgo is a mix up, Derrick. Don't answer Virgo. My Virgo go up on him life and bring me down, Derrick. My love when Virgo bring me down, Virgo. Go back on your life, Virgo. And yeah, Rosalie bring me down tonight. I want to bring me down tonight. And I get a whole pop of view them. And that I want Virgo. Virgo run out and dip up on me, Virgo. Virgo want to dip up on me, Virgo. Yeah. Dip up on me, big bull. And that want you and Rosalie for do. Virgo, you and Rosalie for run out. No, and dip up on. Yeah, dip up on me, bro. Virgo, that want to never do. Miss Donna. I love the video you make for the people. The people we got tied up them house like Rosalie. Rosalie not tied up house. Rosalie big thing, Miss Donna. Rosalie not tied up house. Look on your nice place, Miss Donna. Look how your place look, Miss Donna. Rosalie can't look like this. But tell up on our house like Miss Donna say, if you tell up on our house, make them and take up all the shit them from a dirty bed. And clean up on our house, and clean up proper, and corner to corner, Rosalie. Clean up yourself, Rosalie. If you come talk to Derrick Morgan, your house need clean up. You hear Miss Donna say, the whole of the young people that can take if you make problem, go clean up on a dirty house. Miss Donna say, if you clean up on our house, and make the house look good and fresh up, on yourself, no house and fresh up. Rosalie. Listen to the video Mr. Donna make for the all of the TikTok people. Or clean up no house, change no bed linen, take no house in all that, clean up no surrounding. Clean up no surrounding one clean up, no surrounding one clean up. Clean up no surrounding look bad. Take the dirty shit off of the bed. Spray it in no house one spray up good. Yeah. Listen to the video Miss Donna put up. Auntie Donna put out the video for the whole of the woman them on TikTok. Clean up in our house. Go all up on the video where Donna put up. Go back tie up in our house. Take off on the dirty sheet off on no bed. Clean up no place. Look at the corner of the house them. Or then stay bad. Yes. Auntie Donna says so. Clean up no house. Run off your Auntie Donna now. And the blanket people them. Run out no.